it's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba once again. Today guys, I'd like to share something very important guys. As you know, many people tend to confuse the opening session of New York and making it a NASDAQ strategy. So basically today I'll be explaining whether 1630 is NASDAQ strategy or New York session open. Guys. What I've mentioned is that the forex market can be traded any time of the day. If you can look at my videos, I explain further that you don't need to wait for a specific time. You cannot say you're only gonna trade GJ during London session. There's movement during Asian session. There's movements during New York session. So basically, in short, what I'm trying to tell you is that the 1630, it's not the NASDAQ strategy. It's the New York opening. Basically, it's them putting the data that they have covered into the stocks. It gets released, you understand? For instance, let's say the Tesla production was high as opposed to the previous day. What will happen is that there will either be a slight change when the New York opens. So basically all the data at that time is put in, hence you see that volatility. So basically, in short, what I'm trying to tell you is that you need to know what is the 1630. So what I'm trying to explain further is that you need not be stuck to this term saying you are trading the 1630 strategies, because in short what you will mostly recognize is that movements tend to be very much volatile, and in some instances you get to be caught up on the rope movement. But the catch is this: as long as your technical analysis is on point, then you will basically understand, because you need to know what really happens is. With that being said, the movement that will happen there with the NASDAQ, you would know that NASDAQ when I talk about NASDAQ, I'm also talking about US30, because they almost move in the same direction. So basically you have to know, whenever you're talking about these two, NASDAQ or US30, you need to know that it's 30% technical, fundamental. So basically this is your charts, and then these are news. So you need to know what really happens here will be supported by this. Let's say for instance you are having a reverse head and shoulder. So here is my resistance, and then here I'm having my support. I'm having my support at the bottom, and then I'm having my reverse head and shoulder. So I'm expecting the market to go up. You understand? So whenever I have my technical analysis showing me that we are going up, the news, then you find that NASDAQ has positive events. You understand? Gets positive news, like what can I say? The vaccine is doing well. You can say the vaccine is doing well. Can I write it? Vaccine is doing well. So you basically realize that my technical analysis will be supported by this 70% fundamentals that are coming here. You understand? So basically it's not a matter of you waiting to say I'll wait for the news, because the minute this news gets released, at most times you find that the market has already moved, you find that it's here. And then that's when you want to buy, you say buy, then the market starts to retrace. So you need to apply your technicals before you look at the fundamentals, or you get aware of the fundamentals. Because in short, you just realize that in most cases, when you are trading the NASDAQ, it's a stock comprised of 100 companies, and then the Dow Jones, which is the US 30, is 30 companies. So you need to know that whenever there is profits, NASDAQ will go up. You understand? So basically you need to know that indices overall trend is bullish. Overall trend is bullish, because you have to understand these are companies. Any CEO or any business owner would not be happy with their business going down all throughout. So basically, whenever you see a certain movement going down, you should know that it's just a slight moment that NASDAQ goes down, but the overall trend, you will see, if you look at your chart, you'll see NASDAQ going something like so you can see it is in a uptrend. It's just going up all the time. You understand? So even when you saw there was a drop, but it came back and broke the high and went drop and broke, drop. You understand? So it's an overall bullish trend. You understand? Because it is the companies, you understand, the companies that are in NASDAQ that causes this to keep on rising, because they come with strategies. Even when there was strikes and everything, they come with strategies to make sure that the company makes profit. You understand? Let's say, for instance, we have this company. Let's say we have this company. Tesla. We have Tesla here. So basically we're saying Tesla produces 100,000 cars. And out of this 100,000 cars, about 70,000 were bought. So basically you can see they are sitting at 30,000 cars left. You understand? Yes, they make profit, but how will they recover? They make profit with these cars. How will they recover the money that was used to make the 30,000 cars that were left? You understand? So it goes back with coming up with strategies. You understand? Because what will really happen if they don't come with strategies? Yes, they will make profit. Their profit will go up, but with time it will start to decrease, because now they have 30,000 cars that are not bought. But they come up with a new marketing strategy, maybe advertise the cars on TV, market TV or internet. Then there's a demand. They create a demand. Then there's a demand. There's a demand of how much? 200,000 cars. So they need to make 170,000 more. So what will happen? They've created a demand. They have to supply. Then they supply. What will happen to the profit? Go back up, and that's just a way of how NASDAQ moves. Then the profit margin will go up again, because now they are making profit of the demand that was created. So they have demand for 200,000, then they supply 200,000 cars, and then this, which was going to be a loss, now becomes big profit. Then you see, now it passed this peak. You understand? It passed profit 1. Then this will be profit 2. So basically, guys, you just need to understand the way a company functions. You understand? Put yourself in the shoes. It will make more sense and be easier whenever you're trading NASDAQ, and you get to understand the fundamentals much easier. And always, guys, make sure you are tuned to the news to be aware of what is happening. You understand? You need to be aware of your surroundings. You need to understand the level of trading. And also, guys, you need to be aware that 1630 is not a strategy. It's not a fundamental strategy. It is the opening of the New York session. Thank you for tuning in, guys. See you in the next video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Thank you. Click the button, click the notification button, click the subscribe button, share it with your friends and family. Let's push the channel up. Thank you for the support.